Hi everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, and I've got Roma with me. Roma is a latest student and she has smashed her PTE exam. She has got all 90s, 490s, and that is a brilliant score. I've seen people out there, they get 90 overall, but they miss out in one or two sections, they get around 85, 86. But over here on the scorecard, I can only see 90s. Congratulations, Roma. This is a very big achievement. And the very first thing I'd like to ask you that, I've seen people who are struggling for the exam. What was your mindset that what do you think is the most important thing, not only to get 79 plus, but to get 90 each? What is the most important thing for getting 90 each?
First of all, you should know the various tips and tricks to fool the computer, because that's the main thing. I used to give the paper just practicing, but with the practice you cannot know all the rules of the exam. But that's why I came to your class to know all the tips and tricks.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it's very important to understand how things work, how you have to basically trick the computer, or basically how you have to basically convince the computer that yes, you are very good at English. And how about reading? Reading was one of the sections you were struggling in the very starting.
Yes.
But now you have got 90 in that as well. How's that?
Reading is all about practice. If you practice and you'll be probably be getting 2 or 3 questions repeated, that's what happened in my case.
Yeah.
Because even if you do a lot of reading and even if you know some of the answers to those questions and those meanings, English phrases, you still can't do it, because some of them are really tricky. One of them is like, okay, that can be the answer, but no, that's not the answer. Yeah, it used to happen in our practice.
Yeah, it used to happen, but yes, real exam practice questions can play a very big role, because sometimes being very practical, they are very hard to figure out that what is the right collocation and everything. So if you practice over there, it's gonna be a very good thing for you. And lastly, let's come on to your listening. Listening is one of the section everybody nowadays they are struggling in listening, and you have got 90 over there as well. How's that?
All thanks to your tips and tricks.
That's fine. And one more thing, how many options did you select in MCQs on?
Only one.
Yeah, only one option, still 19, all of the sections. That is one of the biggest trick you can say. But yes, all of you should follow this. Do not take any risk in MCQs. And any message for viewers out there, Roma, that how they should approach the exam, because I've seen a lot of people, they are very good at English, but they are missing their score in PT because they are not really aware how everything works. They think that this is their traditional English exam, but actually it's not. So any tips or strategies from them for them out there?
I would just say that take all the tips and tricks from people like you from this class, and then you just need to practice more and more. That's how you'll do the reading, listening and speaking and all you'll do with the tips and tricks.
Yeah, that's right. So understanding the exam pattern and understanding how computer works and how you have to convince the computer can play a very vital role in your success. And yes, it's possible for everyone out there to get 90 each. Just follow the right tricks, templates and previous exam repeated questions, and you will smash your PTE exam. Thanks guys, this is Roma here, and we will be back very soon with another success story. Thanks guys.